Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to cutepolish. Today we've teamed up with Seaweed Gel to review and demo their new Candy Paint Summer 2021 collection. These new shades are available in both their Unity gel polish formula along with their B-Bio nail lacquer. The cool thing about their Unity gel polish line is that it can be cured in natural sunlight. So that's what Erin is going to be trying out today.
Hey guys, it's Erin. The first color in the collection is Sugar Coat, and it's a very light pink, almost like a ballet pink, and slightly leans nude, super pretty. The next one's called Bubblegum Pop, and it's like it sounds. It's a bright bubblegum pink with some light shimmer in it. Great Grape, which is a really pretty violet color with a subtle shimmer. Blue Raspberry, which is a beautiful sky blue with shimmer. Lime Time is a really bright neon green. Lemon Drop, which is a nice sunshine summer yellow. Then Candy Paint, which is a bright traffic cone orange. And last is Cherry Bomb, which is a hot berry pink. To apply these gels, I want to start by prepping my nails, so I'm taking the nail file and just filing across my nails in one direction to make sure I'm happy with the shape. Then I'm taking the nail buffer and just buffing off the top layer of my nail without taking too much off because you don't want to damage the nail plate, but you also want to make sure that there's a slightly rough surface so the gel can adhere better. Once all my nails are buffed, I'm taking these lint-free wipes by Seaweed Gel and rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to be wiping all of my nails to make sure they're completely clean. Using rubbing alcohol will help remove any dust or remnants from the buffing, and it'll also remove the natural oils from your nail to make sure that the gel adheres to your nail. So once I've cleaned off all my nails with the rubbing alcohol, I'm just going to make sure I let them completely dry before starting with the gel. Unity has a built-in base, color, and top all in one bottle, so I don't need to add an extra base coat. I can go directly into color. So I'm taking Cherry Bomb and applying that on my pinky. And if you make any mistakes, you can easily just wipe those away before curing the polish. Then I'm taking Candy Paint, which is the orange, and putting that on my ring finger. Be sure to paint super thin coats to avoid the gel polish being too thick, which can cause chipping or peeling. Take your time to wipe off any excess gel polish off the brush before painting so that you can get a nice thin coat. On my next nail is Lemon Drop. It's also important to make sure that you're always applying the gel polish indoors and away from direct sunlight, otherwise you might dry up the whole bottle. Then for the green, I'm going to be using Lime Time. And on the last nail, I'm applying Blue Raspberry. Then to cure, I'm just going outside and sitting in the sun for 2 minutes. Unity has a built-in base and no wipe top, so when I touch my nails, it will not be sticky. You can touch and feel when Unity is fully cured. If by chance it's still sticky, then you can cure a little bit longer. You do not need to wipe with alcohol to remove any tacky inhibition layer. Repeat this process with another coat of the gel polish until you're happy with the opacity. And in between each coat, I'm just going back out into the sun and curing it for 2 minutes. Checking that my nails are fully dry and hard to the touch, and there's no need to wipe off any residue. After this, I did one more coat, so with 3 coats I was happy with the opacity of the gels. And then this next step is optional, but I'm going to be applying the Seaweed Gel Gel Top Coat. This just adds some extra longevity to your manicure and a little bit of extra shine. And finally, I'm going to be curing that gel top coat with 2 minutes in the sun. And if you don't happen to have any sunlight, no worries, these polishes also cure perfectly under a UV LED light. So here is my finished Rainbow Skittle Mani using the new Summer 2021 collection from Seaweed Gel. We hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you want to see more videos from cutepolish, you can click the boxes here and click the circle here to subscribe to cutepolish for a new video every week. You can also click the circle here to subscribe to my personal nail art channel.